a hole for a cartridge style engine block heater on a Toyota Highlander. In this case it's a 2015. You can see here we're looking at the oil pan underneath the passenger side. So if we move towards the driver's side, I got a slide, you can find a gap right here. It's not that large. You might be able to fit your arm up there without having to remove any sort of brackets, but slide up there. There's the heater installed. I have not routed the cable yet, or finished routing it. I'm not sure where I'm going to have it come out. That should give you an idea. It's a pretty tight squeeze. Might be able to move this bracket right here to get a little more working room. In my case, I was able to get my arm up there and I really didn't want to remove this and have to deal with getting it back on. As far as routing the cable, I went towards the driver's side, so from the driver's side wheel well, I went this way and then up. I'm not quite sure yet where I'm going to have it come out though, so nothing's permanently attached yet.